Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to provide you with some updates that I am super excited to share with you. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
Okay, Betsy, so I hope you are ready for these updates that I am going to expose on today. I do have my phone with me, so let's get started. The first item that kind of, it upset me, and I know for you guys as well if you saw this, but this is the Live handbag. I spoke on this about a week and a half ago, and I thought this would be the perfect monogram canvas crossbody handbags, especially for you guys that are entering the LV community and you want your first, medium size to small canvas handbag. I guess that's what we can call it. But looking at the pictures that we received, I am so upset with this. This is basically a double zip pochette. I am not a fan of the double zip pochette. I've tried twice and both of the items are gone from my collection. I just feel like just make it one zipper. Just make it one complete handbag. We don't need the double zipper with this small handbag. I thought it would be perfect. Honestly, I was like, this is going to be the next favorite handbag. I really thought so. Since the original favorite is discontinued, I wasn't a fan of the new favorite handbag that was released. So I thought this would be something that's, very cute. A small, medium-sized pochette where we can still hold our cell phones. You guys know, have it as a crossbody or convert it and carry it as a tote handbag, even as a clutch. But to see that they basically converted this into a double zip pochette most definitely upset me and hurt my feelings. So guys, this is just not what we expected. Okay, so here is the pictures of the Live handbag, the Live pochette handbag that is going to be released. Some of you guys still might be interested. Okay, this might still be a good crossbody handbag for you. But as for me, I just was not a fan of the double zip pochette. But let me know how you feel about this. Let's talk about this a little bit more. The launch date is April the 26th. So you guys still have time. Of course, pre-orders will open in March. I just don't know how I feel about it anymore, okay? The product code number is M83008. Again, this is the Live pochette handbag. And you know what? Some of you guys, you might can make it work. As for me and it coming over into my collection, it's an absolute no. They should have just kept it with one zipper, one open compartment, and we would have been fine with that. Okay. Moving forward, I want to speak on the Lucky Charm, what you guys called it, the Lucky Charm bum bag. This is going to be from the chocolate collection. As I receive information, I promise I will update you guys. The name as of right now is the Rush bum bag. Where and why? I don't know. But that's the name as of right now. But I am coming to update you guys. They are going to make some changes. Not on the size, but most definitely probably the design. If they're not going to make changes on the size of the bum bag, it has to be the design or the strap. As of right now, you can see that is a vachetta strap, just like the original bum bag. Maybe they are going to change it into a guitar strap. Maybe they are going to change the colors, the Easter vibe that it's giving. Maybe they are going to change how the LV prints look and make it the original LV print. And it won't look so much like the Lucky Charms, okay? I don't know, but I heard that this is not the final look. This was a sample production. This is not going to be the final look. And if it's going to be the final look, if they say, okay, this is it, we're just going to change the strap, then this is what you guys are going to have. But as of right now, that's what I heard. That's what the update was provided to me, that this is not going to be the original release of the Rush Bum Bag, okay? From the chocolate collection, I really am wondering how this collection is going to look. If it's a chocolate collection and all of the handbags are going to be in this print, I am going to be so upset. Like, why? Why, LV? Why? Okay, so moving forward, I'm going to give you guys a heads up on this. This isn't an update. This is not an update. This is me giving you a heads up. I keep telling you guys this. We are going to receive so many reverse monogram handbags in 2024, okay? We are. Now, let me tell you this. They are going to be small. They are going to be mini. We can put lip gloss in there. We can put a penny, a quarter. Yes, those are the things we are going to be able to fit. And the price is not fitting. It's not fitting. It's not matching these small reverse monogram handbags that are going to be released. We are going to see them going all the way up into the summer, okay? The first one I want to show you, which I've always been a fan of this design. This design has actually come out before, but in a much larger size. But for me, it just doesn't fit my life. Okay, I need something that's a size PM on up. And this is the reverse monogram dice handbag, guys. Very creative. I love the design. Just like the Cans handbag and the Vandy PM, I love anything that's different. But for the price, okay, for the price, I am not feeling. But just know we are going to be receiving a lot of reverse monogram handbags that are going to be mini and small throughout the rest of 2024, okay? I know as of right now, all the way up until June. After that, I'm pretty sure we're going to have more. I heard this is the year of reverse monogram. And I really don't believe there's anyone in this world that loves reverse monogram as much as me. I just can't see it. I don't see it. I haven't met anyone. So if you are a reverse monogram lover, please let me know below. I know a few of you guys are. But I am team reverse monogram. I mean, I ride, I'm not going to say die, but I ride with reverse monogram, okay? I love that print. But we are going to receive more small just like this. So if you are interested in this beautiful creation, okay, it is going to be released March 1st, which means pre-orders are open, guys. Reach out to your CA, call client services, or walk right into a boutique. And you do have to pay full price. A lot of you guys ask me about pre-orders. Guys, this is a luxury brand. You can't put down a deposit and then when the bag comes in and then say, oh no, I don't want it. No, doesn't work like that. You have to pay the full price, okay? Unless you have this amazing CA and you are a VIC, sometimes they will order it for you. I've had pieces to where my CA, she just knew I wouldn't turn down and she basically had it ordered for me. So you do have awesome CAs that just look out for you like that, okay? So I've had that done before. Like the loop handbag, I didn't want that handbag. I didn't even think about that handbag. My CA said, hey Marquita, I ordered this for you. I thought this would be a piece that you would be interested in. And guess what? I was interested in it. And now I'm not. I haven't even used the handbag. So guys, just keep in mind, if you are interested in this, pre-orders are open and you can go ahead and purchase if you like. Okay, so besties, moving on. This is a handbag that I showed you guys last week, blurry pictures. So shout out to info.lv for providing these amazing clear pictures. I was waiting on this and I'm super excited to now have. Okay, so the first one, we are going to go over the LV Monogram Dolphin Soft. That's the name of the handbag. Launch date is March 1st of this year, of course, which means it's open for pre-orders if you are interested. The only thing I want to complain about, which no one cares, LV doesn't care about us complaining, but this is just full of vachetta. This should have been reverse monogram. I don't care. This should have been reverse monogram. You are making all of these small reverse monogram handbags, and you have all these reverse monogram handbags that have animals on there. This should have been a reverse monogram handbag with black leather. Okay, my rant is over. So here it is, the inside smooth microfiber material. It seems as if it has what, 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems as if it has 4 compartments. Okay, one in the back, the farther back side, you can see that that's going to be a compartment there, and in the front of that, that's another compartment. And then we have the zipper compartment and then the front compartment. So they are basically giving us 4 compartments, and we don't have a pocket, you know, a pocket in the back, an open pocket in the back. It kind of reminds me of how the inside of the Passy handbag is, minus the outside having not having a pocket. Okay, again, smooth microfiber material. It is kind of light on the inside, but hey, look at the outside. All that vachetta. Apple Guard. Make Apple Guard your best friend. I love the simple fact that they are, you know, changing the dolphin look. You know, they're not giving us that brown leather that I don't know. It's on the Loop Gem. You know, the Marquita Reverse Loop Gem. I love that handbag, but I'm kind of tired of that brown leather, okay? So we have this here that's just trimmed in vachetta. Should have been black leather, like I said, or reverse monogram, period. So I think it's cute. It's okay. It's not just giving what I thought it was going to give. And I love that it does have like that little, you know, the little dip at the top that's kind of giving us a hobo style bag. But this is a nice size. I love this. This is a nice size, okay? And this is also going to be a GM size. This is not an MM size. So this is going to be a pretty big handbag, okay? Moving forward, guys, this is this beautiful black. I love it. You guys know I am a huge fan of black leather and gold. It just stands out so much. So this is absolutely adorable. This handbag is the MM size. So we have a GM and we have an MM, okay? And let me say this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. The inside, LV, kudos to you. I love the creativity. I love the time and creativity you put into this handbag. I had someone in the comments, I showed you guys the Alma backpacks. I had someone in the comments say, hey, the replica companies were putting the monogram pieces inside first. So they are copying, basically saying that LV is copying off of the replica companies. But baby, let me tell you, it's not real. Okay? It's still not real. So you can't compare the two. And I have nothing against those who shop replica handbags. I told you guys, when I first started collecting, I was replicating Coach handbags. I had every color in the rainbow. Okay? To where I can't even look at Coach the same. So that's your business. I'm not going to say it's right. It is wrong. I stand on that. I stand on my word. Replicating these companies that are replicating these handbags is wrong. I'm standing on that. Okay? Now, you buying, I have no issues because that's your hard-earned money. Do what you please. But to say the replica companies did it first, they did a lot of things first. I saw a reverse monogram Alma BB handbag, and it was beautiful. But guess what? It's not real. It's not the OG. It's not original, okay? This is original. This interior, this lining is absolutely stunning, and I'm so glad that they added it inside of this handbag. They could have went with any type of microfiber color. You know, they do the saffron, they do the blue. They could have went that way, but to add the monogram lining, I absolutely love and adore this. This is very, very beautiful, and it stands out. So again, this does have, it doesn't look as if it has a back compartment like the GM handbag. But again, guys, we're just looking at it from, you know, from the pictures, okay? This would be something that I would love to go into the boutique and try on, okay? So let me know, how do you feel about these two pieces? I think they are absolutely gorgeous. A GM size for me will be kind of too big. And so I am so glad the black leather is in the MM size. Okay, I saved the best for last, okay? We have to talk about this because some of you guys, what you do, you hear me when I do my videos, but you don't listen. You take what you want from the video, and when I tell you the bad side to it and try to give you hints, you don't hear, you don't listen to that part. So you hear the good, but you don't want to listen to the bad, okay? And when I say bad, I kept telling you, speaking on the Speedy 20, the on-the-go tote, and also the side trunk in the MM size that's coming out in reverse monogram. I told you guys, LV, they're going to piss us off. So if someone pisses you off, that means you are upset, correct? It doesn't mean that, hey, I'm still going to be happy. No, you are upset about something, okay? So when I revealed that to you, you guys were still in the comments, oh my God, we are receiving a Speedy 20 in reverse monogram, Marquita. Oh my God, I can't be happy with you because I know the real, okay? My birthday is in May. My birthday is May 12th, and this whole collection comes out in May. And so this would have just been the perfect birthday gift, okay? The reason we are going to be pissed off is because those reverse monogram items that we have been waiting for comes out in this collection. So if those items are a part of this collection, what does that tell you? It's going to look like this. It's going to have the faces like this on the handbags. Okay? I don't want to walk around like this. And for you animal lovers, I apologize. You know, I have dogs too. I have puppies as well. But this is just not something I want to walk around with. Maybe for my daughter, but not for me. Okay? So, please, when I try to give you hints, please don't just hear me out. Listen to me. I try to give you guys as much hints as possible, and I felt so bad because you guys were super excited in the comments. And I kept telling you, you guys, you are excited for the wrong reasons, for no reason, because I'm not excited. I just couldn't. Okay? So, guys, that's the update. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? I love you guys. I'm here to inform you and to share whatever I receive from outside of our little community, okay? So guys, let me know how you feel. As always, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget your Boss Bag and Seasoned hoodie. Okay guys, I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.